What does it say?
To Aiden from
Kuya.
Kuya and me.
Wow, you got a heater! It's a heater! Look! Do you like the heater, Aiden? Like the heater, Aaron? Is it a heater?
Oh, it is.
You look so excited. Yes, it's a heater. Merry Christmas! Come on! Pull harder.
Okay. What do you say?
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
You can open this one. Look.
How? Oh. You one part you can put water into a bowl and then it's lava. It turns into lava.
And then, what's inside?
Then those dinosaurs inside. There's a special dinosaurs in here. I have opened this in the table. Well,
Why?
because it's gonna explode. Damn, the opening! The opening! Good, the opening. Now I can get it.
Crack the egg. Thing to crack, look. Nothing more. Harder, come on.
There!
There you
I
go.
got it! Yes! 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 I opened it! Oh, I got something.
What's
Okay.
that? Tell me.
Okay, this is what we need to find.
Okay.
Okay. Now I need to open this with scissors.
What is it?
It's a Spinosaurus. That's what I wanted. Yes, I got the Spinosaurus one.
Do you still need this?
What's that? What's inside?
Oh, this is all the awesome stuff in here. Whoa, whoa. Yes. Yes, I got everything. Okay, there's another pack. Okay.
There's 25 things inside.
The volcano.
What's Aaron doing?
Oh, another egg. Another egg. Wait.
Let's go try this.
Take off the tape, then you smash it. Then you throw it
Okay.
in the bin.
Whoa, you smashed it.
Whoa, I got a lonely mammoth. Can I do
Okay.
Yes!
Oh,
Cool!
what's that?
Another one.
Last one.
Whoa! Cool. Okay, fuzzling lava bubbling.
This one, what's it?
Streaky
Stretchy?
from Mozo. Lava, slime, lava. Mega light up dino. Color chain sand. Wait, can I get the dino po too? A woolly mammoth, a mastodon, a gorilla, and a deer. Thank you, Merry Christmas. Mega light up dinosaur.
Okay.
Whoa. Color chain sand.
Show me what's inside.
Okay, let's do this one. Whoa. Whoa, the head! Boom! What? Oh, okay. This one. This line. Okay. Whoa, this is bad. This is bad. This is slimy, actually. I'm peeking in it. Whoa. The feet. How to get this out there? Okay. But where do I put it?
Here.
What? Okay.
Here.
Whoa, the tail. What, sand? Oh, the other things are sand in here. Okay.
Okay.
I found the tail. I found the tail. Thank you, Merry Christmas!